Bit off more than I could chew today. Rented a chainsaw. Those 4 trees over there there used to be 5 of them actually. Yep, 5 of them. Quite a bit taller, overgrown. This pile here I have to tie up sometime tomorrow. That pile there probably too. These other piles I might just have to try and burn because it's all dead stuff. There was a dead tree over there. You got Andrew likes to hang out in the stroller. Hello, Andrew. And here's all the big stuff I had to put out on the curb. So I'm exhausted and hungry. And there's Delilah, the cat. She's our outside cat. So anyway, thought I'd tell you what broke my back today. Bye-bye.